Yeah, hey guys, I kind of found something kind of disturbing. In my front yard a couple days ago, I found a bird with a string wrapped around its head. Well, wrapped around its foot or something. And I came out, but it's still alive, flapping around there, flying around. I see it this morning, and it's hanging from my tree. Like, it's dead. It's fucking completely dead. Fucking eyes are pecked out. It's fucked up. It's kind of messed up. So, yeah. Kind of scared the hell out of me when I saw it. Okay, see you.